Nature plays a crucial role in alleviating symptoms of autism by providing a calming and sensory friendly environment. Time spent in natural settings has been shown to reduce anxiety, improve focus, and enhance social interactions among individuals with autism. The sights, sounds, and textures of nature offer a gentle, predictable sensory experience that can help regulate emotions and reduce overstimulation. Activities like walking in the woods, gardening, or interacting with animals can also promote motor skills, communication, and overall well being. By fostering relaxation and engagement, nature serves as a therapeutic tool for individuals on the autism spectrum.